You've said, the most valuable thing AI can do right now isn't coding or automation, it's prototyping. Why?
If you're an entrepreneur or a business leader with an idea, the cost of testing that idea used to be enormous. You needed a developer, you needed money, you needed months of work just to find out whether anybody wanted what you were thinking about building. That's gone today. Now, I think most people have heard of vibe coding. This is using AI to actually write production software. Now, for true coding shops, that can be generally useful. But for most everyone else, I think the real business value is not in vibe coding, it's in vibe prototyping. That's the term I use at least, and these are very different things. Now, a prototype is supposed to be rough. It's supposed to be thrown away. The whole point is to learn whether an idea has legs before you spend real money on the real thing. Today, with AI tools, you can describe what you want in plain English and have something you can show to a customer that same afternoon. Not finished software, not something you can sell, but something real enough to put in front of those people and ask, would you use this? Would you pay for this? That's a revolution in how innovation happens. The whole lean startup idea. You build a prototype or a minimum viable product, you show it to customers, you get feedback, and then you iterate, and you iterate again. This all used to be so hard because of the build step was so expensive. Now the build step is really almost free. You can test 5 ideas in the time it used to take to test just one. Now, this is not limited to software. You can use AI to prototype physical objects. You can design circuit boards. You can mock up packaging. You can generate marketing materials in a dozen variations and see which one resonates. You can print a 3-dimensional model of a toy your AI just invented. The cost of going from idea to something tangible has collapsed in almost every category of creative work. Now, the warning I'd give on vibe coding specifically, even for developers, there's a real danger in over-relying on AI to write code you don't fully understand. That's what we call cognitive debt. It's the accumulated, invisible cost of shipping code your team doesn't actually reason through. The system works, but you don't know why. And the next time it breaks, or the next time you need to extend it, the gap between what the code does and what your team understands shows up sometimes as a very expensive problem. This is different than technical debt, which lives in the code. Cognitive debt lives in the developers' heads. You can't refactor your way out of it. For most business leaders, my advice is simple. Use AI for prototyping, where the whole point is to learn fast and throw away what doesn't work. And be careful about using it to generate production systems unless the people shipping it deeply understand what the AI just produced. The hard part isn't building anymore. The hard part is having the right idea and then having the wisdom to know when your prototype is ready to become something real. And who needs to be in the room when it does?